What's the meaning of bull session? Bull session. Bull session.
Bull session. Bull session. A bull session is a casual conversation or discussion among friends, typically characterized by humor, banter, and exchanges of opinions on various topics. The term originated in the early 20th century and gained popularity among college students in the 1930s. The result of a bull session can vary widely depending on the participants and the topics discussed, but it often leads to a deeper understanding of different perspectives and a stronger bond between the participants. It can also provide a forum for creative thinking, problem-solving, and intellectual exploration, making it a valuable social activity for people of all ages.